Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will going to cover for JspBean. All right. As we have covered in the previous chapter for JavaBeans, all right, the most important three thing that you need to understand in JavaBean, okay, you need to understand how to use, okay, JSP, use bean, okay, this element build a new bean, JSP get property, and then JSP set property. Okay, for this tutorial, we going to develop okay 3 file, okay, index file, which is will be accept employee ID, employee name, and then submit button. Okay, and then employee.java to create setter and getter for this setter and getter, okay, of our inputs. Then we create the JSP page by using useBean, which is action tags, and print the data for welcome.jsp file. All right, I also have post how to install Eclipse, right? I hope you can install Eclipse and then configure your Tomcat server. All right. First, all right, to create a new project, you go to File, New. Go to Dynamic Web Project. You can name like JSP example, right? For me, I have 1, 2, right? Then I need 3. Then you go to next. Okay, the Eclipse will generate this folder for you automatically. Then you go next, and don't forget to tick generate web.xml as I mentioned. JspBeans similar to Servlet, which you need this folder, this file as well. Okay, then you click finish. All right, then you will have this package, right? This package. Then inside this folder, you need to create index. How to create index? Right click. Okay, so index will be HTML file, index, HTML file, and then you change to index. Okay, then you click finish. Okay, then you have this file. So in this file, you need to create a form. Right, this is a form. Right, you can type this. Right. So the form action we send to welcome.jsp, and the form accepts ID and name form of text. Okay, with the submit button. All right. Next, you need to create a class, but before you create a class, you need to create a package. Right, package. For example, you have tested how to create a package. Right click on this folder, go to package. Okay. And then, for example, name test, right? And don't forget to tick create package-info.java. Then you click finish. Then you have this package. Okay, inside this package, you need to create a class, employee.java class. All right, how to create a class? Go to new and class, and then name the class like employee Java. Okay, and then you need to untick this inherit extract method. Then click finish. Then you will have this Java class. So in this file, you do not have this part, so you can type this part. Right, this is JavaBean private property, right, which is a rule that we have covered, a rule of JavaBean, right? It's set and get method. All right, so when you have created this, For example, private integer, and then get ID, then this one sets ID, one get name, and then set name, and then it return ID and return name. Okay, next you need to create welcome.java. Okay, welcome Java. You right click on the web contents, new, JSP file, then you click welcome.java. Okay, and then just click finish. Then you going to have this file. Okay, in this file you do not have this. Okay, this is directive, page directive, so you need to import this package. Okay, import this package. Okay, this class, import this class in this package, right, in order for us to use this bean property, right? Okay, then you need to create the bean. How to create a bean? By JSP use bean. For example, this object we name it E. Okay, and then the class is employee inside this package. Okay, then we set the property. So we set the ID and name. We set all, set both for ID and name. Okay, then we use JSP get property to display ID and names, right? Okay, so when you have typed this all code, okay, right? Okay, so how this file it's working? So first, we have index will receive to ID and name, and it will send to welcome.java, right? You can see welcome.java, we go to welcome.java, and inside welcome.java, we import this package, this class. Okay, so call this class and set the ID and name, and then return to display ID and name. Okay, how to run this? How to run? You just right click. Okay, but before you run, make sure you have configured your server based on the following link that I have posted in Google Classroom. You click run server. Okay, and then next, and then any package that you have developed, then by finish. Yeah, finish. For example, ID, for my ID 1234, and then you type your name, yeah, and save it. So when it's saved, we go to welcome, and then welcome, we call this class, okay, and set and get method, and we return and display user ID and a name. Now this is how the overall of Java JspBean works, right? And you can use this structure as your project, because in this example we have includes JSP, you have JavaBean, right? Probably JavaBean is separate. So one more thing you need to have is database connection for your project, right? So you just keep expand this tutorial. All right. So I hope you can try, develop this, and enjoy.